How to watch YouTube TV on a projector. Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to watch YouTube TV on a projector. Watching on a projector can give you a big screen experience for your favorite shows and live TV events. Let's find out how to set it up. Watching YouTube TV on a projector is similar to watching it on a television, as it depends on how you connect a compatible streaming device to your projector. Projectors typically have HDMI inputs, just like modern TVs. You'll need a streaming device that supports the YouTube TV app and can connect to your projector via HDMI. Some common streaming devices you can use with a projector include streaming sticks like Roku streaming stick, Amazon Fire TV stick, or Chromecast with Google TV. These devices plug directly into the HDMI port on your projector and connect to your Wi-Fi network. You then download the YouTube TV app onto the stick for Roku and Fire Stick, or it comes pre-installed for Chromecast with Google TV. Once installed and signed in, you can use the streaming stick's remote or your phone for Chromecast to navigate YouTube TV and project it onto your screen. Streaming boxes like Apple TV, Roku Ultra, or Nvidia Shield TV. These are more powerful devices that also connect to your projector via HDMI. They offer a full App Store experience where you can download and install the YouTube TV app. You control them with their dedicated remotes. Game consoles like PlayStation or Xbox. If your projector has an HDMI input, you can connect your game console to it. The YouTube app, which includes YouTube TV access, is available on these consoles. When connecting your chosen streaming device to your projector, use a high-quality HDMI cable. Make sure both the projector and the streaming device are powered on, and select the correct HDMI input on your projector that corresponds to the port where you plugged in the streaming device. Once the streaming device's interface appears on your projected screen, navigate to and open the YouTube TV app. Sign into your YouTube TV account if you haven't already. You can then use the streaming device's remote or companion app to browse and watch YouTube TV content on your large projected screen. Remember to adjust your projector's focus and keystone correction for the best picture quality. You'll also likely need external speakers connected to your streaming device, projector, or a separate audio system for sound, as most projectors have small built-in speakers. We hope this video helped you learn how to watch YouTube TV on a projector. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and guides.